Nqobile Khumalo from Warrenton. I'm 26 years old. I'm a poultry farmer.
My name is Bongiwe Khumalo. I'm from Warrenton, Northern Cape. I'm 21 years old. I'm a poultry farmer and we are sisters.
Ukuqala kwethu ukusave ama 350 saba motivated ngenkathi sasiye kwi farm it was a farm day, was hosted by Bur Bay, so we went there to visit. We're not farming that time. And then coming back, we were inspired because the other youth are doing great jobs. So saqala ke lapho mangibuya I have to take time to convince her ukuthi save ama 350. So she fall for it ne ukuthi si save, but because we did go there and then siya ku agriculture now because we heard ukuthi kunama channel is not about ukuthi kumele ube umuntu wesilisa to farm ne. It took me time really to convince Bongiwe Khumalo. It was a time, but yes, our convince we besibeka imali yethu besibeka u700 but it was 350. Remember ukuthi government was introduce ukuthi abantu bangabe unomntwana you have to get u500. I registered and then I got i500 for as umzali nginomntwana. So mangithola i500 it speed up a process ukuthi imali yethu ifikelele ku5000. So siqali ke sabeka ke until ku5000. Masibona ukuthi okay sesiyakwazi ukuthenga inkukhu, siyakwazi ukuthenga ama feeder awu 4 and then siyakwazi ukuthenga ama drinkers. Sahamba sayothenga ke nama feeds. Sahamba sayothenga ngale 5000 saqala sa order i-first bench yethu. I-first bench yethu siqale nge 17 July 2021. It was our first bench, our first experience ukukhulisa inkukhu. So we were so excited, and then our first bench sayisela a chicken farm. So we were so motivated to go for it ukuthi yazini we can do this. So sakhula lapho ke.
Kutsumula ga rona re tsumutse last year, it was 2021 ka July ka re tsumulela mo gae mo ntlong e papa na sa berekisi ka papa a re adima ntlo ewa. So ka go bona opportunity ya re berekise re dire poultry farming mo go yone. So papa rona le mama rona ba re supportile thata ga ba le mo gapandaka.
As abantu bebengazi nix ngenkukhu, I did esikoleni ngenza maths and physics, and then yena usisi wami wenze i-tourism ne. Mina efela mastad I went to college ka 2017 to do my paramedic and firefighter 1 operation hazmat. I was there doing it. I was so happy, and then coming back thinking you're gonna get a job. It was very painful to not having a job. Every day you have to run up and down envelope. If there's a post, you are the one that applying, you want to be the first. So we were so encouraged to start, and then we overcome the challenges to raise the chicken as we don't have any experience. We're using Google to raise our chicken. It was a Google, every day we're Googling, and YouTube, watching those young farmers, how they do it, which vaccination they're using it, and then joining the group on Facebook to get the experience and to know how people they're doing it. So we're so excited. That's how we overcome the challenges. Uma inkukhu zethu siyithola zina 1 day old, so we have to raise it until 6 weeks, taking care of it, checking what is the vaccinated, we're checking ama medication, what is ama medication are right, they are growing healthy, and then sithola to the company Sterfontein company that are delivering inkukhu zethu, where we fetch it a Pumla garage and then coming here and then so deliver, and then it's well prepared already. My figures barriers. Sithanda ukubingelela ukubonga bonke abantu abasupportile and abantu abahlezi besupporta buying chicken zethu, and tell them a comment, a positive comment, are the ones that keep us going. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga isupport yenu, and we want to encourage youth out there ukuthi senza emva kwendlu backyard, so you can anything is possible. You can start where you are, what you have, it's possible if you are doing it and with the condition. Thank you so much.
Thank you.